Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Modic from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your Modic tokens seamlessly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is simple, secure, and can be done in just a few minutes, helping you manage your portfolio like a pro. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitrue, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, after all, so let's stay safe. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see your Modic balance. Double-check that you have enough funds, and remember to account for any network fees. Modic uses the Polygon network, so select that when you're ready to withdraw. Next, switch to Bitrue. Go to your Bitrue dashboard and navigate to the Deposit section. Copy the Modic wallet address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check this address to avoid any mishaps. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Back on Binance, initiate the withdrawal. Paste the Bitrue address into the withdrawal form. Select the Polygon network, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Review it carefully before hitting submit. Once the transaction is sent, keep an eye on its status. Use a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan to track it in real time. This usually takes just a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it arrives on Bitrue, check your balance to ensure everything's there. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support teams ready to help. And that's it. Transferring Modic in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay savvy out there. See you in the next one.